today, I would like to introduce to you building of the church that God gave us this spring. And it is really a gift, a present for us. It's our building, it's our land. There is still a lot of work has to be done, but we believe that the one who started the good thing, he will help us to complete it. And what we have in our hearts is for this building not to be a place of gathering for the church only, but for this to be a place where people of God could be equipped. For this place to be an apostolic center in Ukraine, where apostolic teams would be equipped by supernatural to carry the power and presence of third heaven and to spread kingdom of God, not in Ukraine only, but all over the earth. This will be a training center for pastors and leadership, place for gathering and conferences for partners in harvest, and for ministry Catch the Fire. And we are so glad that we have this opportunity that God gave us. And we look into the future with a hope that we will complete it. And we are so happy because of that. This territory is 2,800 square meters. And building itself is about 800 square meters. Now we will go inside the building just to see how it looks. We are inside of this building now, and this will be a main place of gatherings. Walls that we see here will be taken away, and here will be a hall. That will be able to seat 650 people. At the back there will be classes for Sunday school and for other kind of ministries. There at the back also a small building with a room which is about 180 square meters. That is for smaller gatherings, for fellowship. There will be a coffee shop. And I think it's going to be a good place.